Respublikasi bosh vaziri Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif janobi oliylarini o'zining ezgu so'zlari bilan chiqish qilishga taklif etaman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency and my dear brother, Professor Dr. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Janobi oliylari, qadrli do'stim, hurmatli professor, doktor, Prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Honorable ministers and delegates from Uzbekistan and Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening.
Hurmatli O'zbekiston va Pokiston vazirlari, delegatsiya a'zolari, xonimlar va janoblar, assalomu alaykum va xayrli kech.
Excellency, we are extremely delighted to have you and your wonderful delegation in Islamabad, your second home. And this is your second visit to Pakistan in 4 years' time.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, biz aytib o'tmoqchi edikki, sizni va sizni ajoyib delegatsiyangizni ushbu yerda Islomobodda sizni ikkinchi uyingizda ko'rayotganimizdan bag'oyatda mamnunmiz. Bu sizning Pokistonga bo'lgan ikkinchi tashrifingiz, xususan 4 yil ichida.
I would like to avail of this opportunity, my dear brother, Mr. President, to congratulate you for being awarded the degree of professor and doctor by NUST University, Islamabad, Pakistan, for your meritorious services, your unwavering dedication and your commitment to serve not only our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan, but your great contribution in promoting peace, progress and prosperity in the neighboring countries.
Ushbu imkoniyatdan foydalangan tarzda qadrdon do'stim, janob oliylar, hurmatli prezident, sizni ushbu professor va doktor unvonini olganingiz bilan tabriklamoqchiman. Bunday unvon NUST universiteti tomonidan bu yerda Islomobodda, Pokistonda taqdim qilindi va bunday unvon xususan sizning sa'y-harakatlaringizga, vafodorligingizga, taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqatingizga va ko'rsatayotgan sobit xizmatlaringizni e'tirofi sifatida taqdim qilinyapti. Sizning xizmatlaringiz nafaqatgina O'zbekistondagi aka-ukalar, opa-singillarga qaratilgan, balki-da kattaroq mintaqada bo'lgan qo'shni davlatlarda ham tinchlik, taraqqiyot va farovonlikni yo'lga qo'yishga bo'lgan sa'y-harakatlaringizni bu e'tirofidir.
Your Excellency, I would also like to convey my heartfelt congratulations on being awarded the highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. In English we would say symbol of Pakistan, for your great services and contribution to strengthen our brotherly relations and your commitment to convert these friendly relations into economic cooperation, trade, investment in various sectors of the two countries. I think, Mr. President, if we had a bigger title and award, you would have been the fittest recipient of this award.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, ushbu fursatdan foydalangan holda men chin qalbimdan sizni yana bir bora Pokistonning oliy fuqarolik nishoni bilan nishonlanganingizni tabriklamoqchiman. Xususan bu nishoni Pokiston, ya'ni Pokiston nishoni deb tarjima qilinadi. Bu sizning yuksak bo'lgan xizmatingiz uchun va shu bilan birgalikda qo'shayotgan hissalaringiz uchun, xususan ikki qardosh davlat o'rtasidagi birodarlik aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirish, do'stona aloqalarimizni turli tuman yo'nalishlarga, xususan savdo, iqtisodiy rivojlanish, investitsiya va bundan tashqari yana ko'p sohalarga tatbiq qilayotganingiz uchun berilayotgan e'tirof nishoni hisoblanadi. Menimcha, agar bizning davlatimizda bundan ham oliyroq nishon bo'lganida, albatta eng mos keladigan shaxs bu siz bo'lardingiz.
Your Excellency, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have deep-rooted historical, spiritual and cultural relations connected by the ancient Silk Route spanning over centuries. The Mughal legacy originating from the valley of Farghana and the intellectual luminaries of Samarkand and Bukhara have etched a deep mark on Pakistan's history.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, Pokiston va O'zbekiston uzoq muddatlik chuqur aloqalarga ega. Bu aloqalarimiz ruhiy, tarixiy va ma'naviy hisoblanadi va qadimgi zamondagi Buyuk Ipak yo'lidan boshlab turib, shu bilan birgalikda Mo'g'ullar imperiyasini oladigan bo'lsak, yokida Farg'ona vodiysi, xususan Samarqand, Buxoro shaharlarining intellektual yutuqlari Pokistonni tarixida katta o'rin egallagan.
These historical facts provide a very sound foundation of our durable relations and a very bright future.
Ushbu tarixiy faktlar bizning porloq kelajagimiz va ishonchli aloqalarimiz uchun kuchli bir fundamentni yaratadi.
I would like to convey my deepest sense of gratitude for your leadership and your vision and your commitment to take these relations to heights not known till this point in time.
Men chin qalbimdan yana bir bora o'z minnatdorchiligimni bildirmoqchi edim. Sizni olib borayotgan yetakchilik va rahbarlik faoliyatingizga va xususan bizni ushbu birodarlik aloqalarimizni yuksaklarga ko'tarayotganingizga.
And I can never forget the warmth and affection showered upon us during my great visit to your great country in February last year, and those memories will remain fresh in our minds for all times to come. Mr. President, we tried to do our best to arrange warmest welcome for you and your delegation, but I'd like to apologize if we have lacked in any way. But I hope, obviously, we could not surpass your warmth